we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
GSTR2A JSON to Excel Converter. Use JSON's JSON to Excel online tool to convert GSTR2A JSON file downloaded from the GST portal into Excel format. Convert both JSON and ZIP files that you download from the GST portal into Excel format. Drag and drop a file or click here to choose a file.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.